I have come to a conclusion that everything about you is unique, stemming from the date you were born, 4th March. A step ahead always, darling brother, darling friend, exquisite real estate developer, business consultant and analyst, my admirable strategist and activist, Atoyebi Taofiq Olajide. Congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life. I wish you healthy life. I wish you a prosperous and fulfilled life. Remain one of my very outstanding mentee and worthy role model to our vast youth population. You have been an inspiring, patriotic Nigerian your entire life. Your legacy of inspiration will continue to enrich lives of the youths of today and those of every new generations to come. Thanks for being a proud product of our prestigious institution. You have written your name in diamond in the hearts of alumni of Federal Government College Ikirun and Osun State University Osogbo amongst others. Your sterling records as President of Urbana Regional Planning Students Association of Nigeria, Public Relations Officer, Federation of Ikirun Students Union, General Secretary, Ultimate Club Ikirun, and your admirable exploits at Uniprime Innovations Limited are generationally indelible. You are truly unique and deserve the respect that comes with such virtues as that of a true brother, a true friend, one who doesn't see out of sight as being out of mind. Atoyebi Taofiq Olajide, the best years of your life are yet to come. Happy birthday to a visionary youth, a man that has impacted so many lives positively. You will always be on top and be greatly favored in all good things. La hawla wala quwwata illa billahil aliyyil azim. Leo ọmọ Atoyebi Taofiq Olajide ìyẹ̀rú Oyan mo fìràn mo jàre ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ti lóye. Ọmọ èrò jẹ́wọ́ títà mú tà tán bí wọ́n wí wọn ní sísan lọ́sàn ìyẹ̀rú lóde ògbógi tó ṣúná kankan ògbónìyàn àpìtàn ọ̀rọ̀ lóye. Atoyebi Olajide ọlọ́yàn ọmọ ẹgbẹ̀rún agbe wọ́lọ́ lọ́yàn ọmọ ẹgbẹ̀rún àlùkò àtàgbé àtàlùkò ní ń bẹ nígbèrè ẹ̀gún níbi tómi ti ń sun sáyaba lẹ́nu. Atoyebi Olajide ọlọ́yàn ọmọ òwòṣọ wòye, ọmọ afọ̀sángorí ẹ̀gún, ọmọ akútàforí ẹ̀gún sọ̀nà, wọ́lọ́mọ akútàforí ẹ̀gún ṣẹ̀yẹ. Àjòjì kì í báyìí dédé ẹ̀gún, àjòjì tó bá báyìí dédé ẹ̀gún ẹ̀dọ̀ ni wọ́n fi ń yọjú wọn. Ọmọ ẹ̀rí ni ẹ́ ò gbọ́dọ̀ mú, ẹ̀jẹ̀ rí ni ẹ́ ò gbọ́dọ̀ bùwẹ̀, tẹlẹ́gùn ni ẹ́ ò gbọ́dọ̀ jalè mọ́ lọ́wọ́ ṣeré ṣebí kékeré Ọ̀yàn akínní. Atoyebi Olajide àgbà Ọ̀yàn àwọn lọ́mọ. Darling brother Atoyebi Taofiq Olajide, have a splendid birthday celebration.